Hey guys, Sunny Gold here, and today we are going to be playing Roblox, and guess what? I got hacked. So, after getting hacked, I ended up just going in and buying heaps of Robux to buy even more to replace everything. So I got, my blue animal hoodie, dreamy hair, crimson winter. I just got a cheap blue Adidas, lightning Adidas. Got a spare Nike. Got these two. The stylish and the robot. I got Builders Club as well. I've got the Dark Age Master, Septic, Blind Rogue, and Recycled Card. So got all that. And why don't we play some, maybe Welcome to Bloxburg. So, I'm just gonna go and start playing. Subscribe if we can get at least 1 like on this video. I'll do a video on Fortnite. And here's proof that I've got Builders Club. See, got it right there. And I've bought a lot of Robux. Just because I really need some Robux. So, since Sonic Gold got hacked, I'm now on Night Kill 3106. I'm not that good in this game. I think I might enter builder mode and oh no, I don't want the electricity. So let's go enter my build mode and we'll go like build. Everything's got a floor. Oh no, we're gonna just decorate everything. Put that there. Put that there. Okay. Tables. And just keep that there. We'll make it in the kitchen. So we need the kitchen bench stuff. It's a kitchen bench. Ah, here we go. Also gotta build a door. Doors. Just make a plain door. Put that there. This is really all I want. Like, I might just put that's a bathroom, so I might just go decorate. What do you do with this plumbing? Just gonna put it toilet there. Now we'll just put a sink there. Alright, we've only got $2 left. I think that's pretty good though. Yeah, I think I might. Yeah, my hygiene. Actually, no, I don't want that message. I'm just gonna. Alright, this is a good way to save money and make other people angry. So we'll go over to this guy's house and she just came out there. I don't know what she was really doing, but yeah. So remember, 1 like or 1 extra subscriber, and we'll be doing an episode on Fortnite. Now, I know a lot of people like Fortnite, so yeah. I like it. Yeah, she's not bothering. I think that's like a block. Alright, all's done with that. I got no money. Literally. Yes, I think we might go to gunplay. Nah, I don't feel like it. Let's accelerate. Trouble music, gotta wait a day for 15 Robux, so you're gonna have to wait 2 days before I can buy it. I really recommend you get Builders Club, it's really good. Also sub to Nightkill3106, exactly my username right here. Right here, Nightkill3106. No spaces, it's just Nightkill. Like, I uploaded a Rue Citizens from my previous channel. I actually got really good. I ended up getting that villa, the really big house, and a really good Lambo. But I ended up, not being able to get it because I got hacked. But yeah, that'll conclude my video. Remember, like and subscribe. See ya. Goodbye.